Okay, welcome ulit po sa gabing ito. Ito po ang liga ng mga lumilipad, Aviation Friendly Davao sa Flying League. First game for tonight between the team in black po. Yan po ang Team Oryx. And of course, playing for white naman po ngayon is Team Airport United. Okay. This is your Aviation Friendly Davao. This is your Aviation Friendly Davao sa Flying League. We'd like to thank following sponsors: Team LBC and Thread and Needles. And of course, sample natin po dyan SPP DOA and PSPQ Basketball League. First game for tonight is Aviation Friendly League. Is between Airport United versus Oryx Basketball Team. Afterwards po is Boleros versus the Projects. And last but not least po sa third game po na for this day po is QDF and Mechanicos. So, for the meantime, mag-enjoy muna po tayo between Airport United versus Oryx Basketball Team. Playing po black po, yan po ang Team Oryx. And of course, ang playing white naman po is Team Airport United. First game po is on the way already. First game for tonight is already on the way na po tayo. At 1 minute 1:36 remaining. We will now start now the first game for tonight. And si Anacleto, Sir Anacleto po is watching already. Okay, watching already po si Sir Anacleto. Okay. Oh. Tay-tay po tayo. First game for tonight po. Okay, Lemuel Anacleto is watching. And of course, in a matter of 1 minute, we have to start now the basketball game between Airport United versus Team Oryx. Again, playing black po or playing dark is Team Oryx. And of course, playing white po tayo is Airport United. Okay, bakbakan po yan. Bakbakang matigubo po yan. Airport United versus Team Oryx. And of course, afterwards po tayo, during halftime po tayo, announce ko lang po tayo, we will now have a photo, team photo every halftime po. It will be posted already po sa group chat po ng Aviation Friendly League. Yan, okay. Sabi ni Jason Labrado, go Oryx, nasang ka? Huy, Labrado, nasang ka? May laro kayo ah. Where are you? Okay. Okay, we have to start right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, game night tonight is starting right now. We're live right now sa ating venue always. Ito po ang Newton International Football Academy. Located po tayo always sa Barrow Village in Doha. Sa Abuman po in Doha. And we're about to start right now. O sige sir, ingat na po dyan si Sir Jason. Ingat po kayo parate. Naka-duty ka pala. First game for tonight now is on the way now between Airport United versus Team Oryx. Airport United playing white and blue combination versus Team Oryx po playing the black combination po tayo. Okay, on the way po tayo Team Oryx.
First one, Oryx.
Extended na. Pwede. Tsaga tayo, na-extender. Okay, first 5 both teams. Sinatawag ba first 5 both teams? Where are you na? We're about to start the game already. And also thank you pala po sa ARA. Ako referee. Ako referee association po. Yan po ang ano po dito for maintaining the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Yan. ARA. Ako referee association. Yan po ang po yan po ng SPB Pilipinas. Tama no? Ako referee association. Okay. Yung liga, yung ano po, yung logo po yung available po next week. Okay, on the way po tayo. On the way is Airport United versus Team Oryx. First quarter. Start right now. Okay, first quarter po. For sure. Yan po. Okay, first five po. Calling first five. Nasaan na po kayo? Calling first five. First five po tayo. Okay, first five. Airport United. 17, 6, 12, number 3, and number 18. Sa kabila po is 34, number 28, si 77, and of course, si number 1. Okay, we're about to start right now. Good evening po. Julius, nasan ka? Huwag si lumilipad ka. Okay, first five. Calling all. First five already. Okay, first five. Okay, correction po tayo nga. There's a change right now. Para sa Airport United po, si number 9, number 12, number 17, number 18, at si number 3. Kabila na po, of course, sa po, orange po tayo si number 34, number 1, number 3, number 20, at si number, sino yung panglima po? Oh, isa pa. Okay, last po is number 1. So, complete na po para po sa Oryx basketball team. O, sige sir, ingat sir, Julius. Ingat po sa paglipad. Okay, first quarter right now. Start right now. In 3, 2, okay. Possession now got by the Airport United. Number 9, 17. And the sky play, dukot sa ilalim, wala. Rebound, battle won by the Black Shirts. Shoutout po sa Jurex Durable Player of the Game, si Austin Barantes. Wala pa. Oh, Julius. Oh, Jurex pa daw. Jurex, best player of the game. Tsaka Robas po din. Robas Tigasen, player of the game also. Kasama na yan. Si Torino Mendoza is also watching. Okay, and okay, Smith. Jepox. Wala, palpal. Again, rebound to Melvin. Melvin, nag-isa, up, dumulas. And nakuha number 80 po ng Airport United. Airport United now again on the run. Number 17. 17, AU. And to Smith, number 3. Number 3, pops up. Malakas. Rebound. Palpal. Palpal, sabi nila, palpal. Walang tawag, palpal. And pops up number 1. Yes, sirree. Wala. Binababa na naman. Ito na naman siya. And Kalilong, 17. Smith, number 3. Kalilong again. 6 seconds away. Nice pass. 2 points. Smith, 2 points. 2 piece na kay Mr. Smith. Again, number 1. Number 1. Op! Yung bata. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Number 3. On the run. Number 3. Sinubo. Foul. Fold. Foul kagad. Number 3 ng Airport United shooting for 2. Okay, shoutout din po dahil sa Robas Tigasin Play of the Game, si Scott. Sabi ni Babagay. First shot, number 3. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready. The score rate is 2-0. At 8:09 remaining first quarter action. Pops up, pasok. It's pasok. Kala ko naka-sports cup tayo. Okay. Number 1, binababa ang bola. Number 1. 8:01 remaining. Melvin, wala. Rebound, salute, out of bounds for the white. For the black shot. Oh, sige.
Sorry po, share.
Okay, eto na po tayo. Number 34, bank shot made. Nice shot by number 34. Yung kanilang big man. Kalilong, number 17. Smith, number 3. Now to Jepox. Pops up. Malakas. Rebound, Smith. Wala pa rin. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound by the big man. 34. Kick pass immediately now kay number 1. Number one, sag its way, wala. Rebound battle won by number one. Number one, may foul. That's a contact.
17.
Foul on number 17. That's Kalilong, 17.
12, that is your first personal.
Sorry, it's number 12, Jepox. Okay, number 1 shooting for 2. The score is 3-all at 7:08 remaining po sa ating first quarter action. Wala. Second throw. Number 1, second free throw po tayo. Second throw. Wala. And kapos. It's kapos. It's Airport United. Airport United po yung buro tayo ngayon. Airport United. And now, 7. Kalilong game. Binababa ang bola. Kalilong. Idol Asher James. Sabi ni Babagay. Nice one sana. Hindi na sa long bola. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. 3-all pa rin po tayo. It's 3-all. Number 1. Pulintan. Number 1. Number 1. Albert. And the big man. Wala. Kickball. And also, sa ato din pala po sa Empa po prep the game po, yung anak po ni Archie. Promil, the big man, pops up. Yes, sir, 2 points. Nagdala sila ng tangke. And Smith, nope. Chepox, nice D by the big man. Oy! Traveling ka doon, boy. Traveling ito, boy. Traveling ito, sabi ng referee. You are travel. And Mr. 18. Muli na po yan, sumuli na. Kalilong, 17. Pops up for 3. Bang! Okay, 6-5. Balik muli po sa iyong kalamangan. And to number 34. Thinking 3. Pops up. Malakas. Melvin. 2 points, Melvin. Binawi ni Melvin. What a putback by Melvin. And Kalilong. Smith tumingin ng bola. Robis Kalilong. Kalilong. And salute. Salute. Driving strong. Driving. Salute. And 3-second violation, sabi ni referee. Okay, last play po. Before change 5. Number 1, Pulintan. Pulintan. And 1 play. Nako, traveling violation pala. Okay, change 5. Traveling pala yun, sayang. Okay, second half po ngayon. Same foot na, okay. Okay, as per the ref, pag daw same foot daw pala, traveling po tayo. Okay, second na po tayo ngayon, si Scott, si Eric, si 31, si Barantes, at si number 12. Kabila naman po, of course, nandiyan naman sila, si Chudelac, Soliano, si 39, si Archie, at si number 11. Scott, binababa ang bola kay Barantes. Barantes, against Soliano. Scott. And pops up Eric. Kapos. Archie. Gakad. Pass kay Chudelax. Nandyan si number 11. Chudelax. Hoop shot. 2 points. What? Takin daw, takin. Takin po guys, takin po. Santiago and all score. Okay lahat po, magtakin po daw kayo. Okay, takin daw po tayo. Okay. Najib McGarber is watching. Of course, is Alex Siris also watching. Scott. Driving strong. Scott. 2 points. Scott, 2 points. 8-9. 8-9, Archie. Chudelax against Barantes. And now to number 11. Kick pass. Malalim. Nakuha. Good ball. Kick pass na kay Barantes. Wala. Nagis Chudelax. Cariaso. Number 11, Cariaso. Carriaso, nice swipe by Scott. Counter swipe by Oryx. And same ball. Same ball po tayo. And Archie or si Gakad, kasama ni Gakad for the inbound. To Solinov, it's Carriaso for 3. Yes, sirree! 3 points, Carriaso. Escat, binababang bola, Escat, si Gaging Sway. Hoy! Nice foul. Shooting foul po yan. Escat.
Second team foul.
Escat, 2 shots given, 8-12 po score po natin. 3-12 remaining, pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Yes, sir.
Binil lang kasi dahil sa yung ball, yung bote kasi. Nakuha! Again, Santiago, naipit ang konti. Eric Grama to Santiago. To Barantes, driving strong. Escat is there. Nice one! Palpal! One more time, number 12. With 2 points. Tablados Putnop is 11-12. 11-12, Chudelax. Dakalusot, Chudelax. Kick pass kay number 9. Pops up, Kapos, Chudelax. Malakas! Carriaso, wala pa rin. Chudelax, teka lang po tayo. Foul called. Foul on number 2. Foul on number 2. Grama, SG. Escat, driving strong. Escat, foul. Escat, shooting for 2. 2:26 remaining. Chudelax, second personal foul at 2:26 remaining. First shot ni Scott. Pasok. Second shot ni Scott. Second shot ni Scott. Both basket made. Okay, lamang po tayo. 13-12, 2:26 remaining. Lamang na naman ang puti. Chudelax. Kick pass to Gakad. Nice pass sana. Hindi na salo. Hindi handa si Jason. Hindi handa si Soliano. James Mark Ariola is watching already also. Okay, balik po tayo. Barantes. Nandun sa ilalim. Palpal! Pero may foul. Foul number 59. 89 siya rather. And Santiago number 31 shooting for 2. Number 31, first shot. Is it? Santiago, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Number 31. Nope. Rebound. Won by Gakad. Kick pass kay Carriaso. Carriaso driving strong. Carriaso, Lopez, Soliano pops up for 2. No good. Carriaso, foul. And one play pa. Foul number 11. Carriaso, basket made. Carriaso, bonus shot given.
Santiago,
First shot, Santiago. First shot, Carriaso. Pasok. Okay, lamang na naman muli po ang itim. 14-15, Escat. 2 points, Escat. Coast to coast. Escat, 2 points. 16-15. Chudelax, Soliano is Eric. Nice one. Nakuha. Carriaso again. Control the leather. Pops up, 89. Wala. Rebound. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Malalim. And Barantes against Chudelax. Barantes, tapos. Soliano, 89, kapos. Barantes, kick pass kay Scott. Scott, yun kay Eric. Grama, malakas. Isa pa, malakas din. Gakad, 16-15, Gakad. Gakad, 2 points. 2 points, Gakad. Barantes, 47 seconds remaining. Barantes, Scott. 2 points, Scott. No foul still. And Judelax. And to Mr. Cariaso. And to Soliano. Gakad driving Shong. Step away. Kick pass kay Scott. Easy 2. 10 seconds remaining. Cariaso, binababa. Cariaso against Santiago. Cariaso and pops up 89. Kapos. First quarter is finished. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action between Airport United and ano po natin yan po ang Team Oryx. This is your aviation friend Doubles of Flying. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Thread and Needles and Team LBC Haring Padala. Sama po natin po SPP Doha, PSB Basketball League, and of course, first game po tayo between Airport United and Oryx Basketball Team. Pagkatapos po is the Projects versus Boleros. For the meantime, dito muna tayo, magdaro muna po tayo dito at panunin po natin po ang Airport United and Team Oryx. Okay. Second quarter action, number 1, number 28, number 23, number 17, at si number 34. Kabilaan po, si 88, si number 8, si number 6, si number 7, number 24, 96 si Salud, at si number 3. Malakas! The score right now is 20-17. Opening po tayo sa second quarter action. Andol 8 24 Lopez binababa ang bola. Lopez and to Salud. Smith, foul called. Foul called. Smith, number 3, shooting for 2. Smith, number 3, shooting for 2. Smith, number 3, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo between Smith for Mr. Smith. 9:28 remaining po tayo yun. No good. Okay, Oryx again. Number 1, Polintan. Number 1 against Lopez. And to third 23. Number 8. Nice wrap play. Malakas. Kick pass. Candol 8. Candol against Melvin. Candol. Malakas ang mababang pasa. Nice try. Pulintan. 2 points. Pulintan, the lefty. And binababa rin Candol ang bola. Candol, number 8. Mr. Candol. Lopez, 24. Pops up, Dobit Salud. 2 points. Okay, lamang ulit po, lang tatlo po ang Team Oryx. 8:35 remaining. 8:35 remaining. Pops up, 34. Wala. Rebound. Again. Melvin, minang bola. Melvin, for 2. Wala. Rebound, nabe Candol. Nice one by number 6. That's Mr. Don.
Pulitan.
Pulintal.
Number 23.
Melvin, number 34. Nice power move by number 34, the big man. Kick pass now, malakas. Ayun lang, hindi pumareno. Walang preno. Balik muli po tayo sa Team Ambola. Chris Cornel is watching. Dan San Miguel is watching. And number 1, Pulintan. 23. Thinking 2. Nope, ayaw. Wrap away, no good. And Lopez to Smith. Topward sana, hindi mo ba umubra? Eh, nakuha niya ni Kandol ang bola. Kandol! Wala. Kick pass, Pulintan. Pulintan, naging salud. Ayun, 2 points. Okay, striking distance na po tayo. 24-23, laman pa rin po ang puti. Orex. Lopez, shake and pick. Orex, power move, foul called.
Number 1, Pulitan.
Pulintan called for a foul.
Your second personal foul. Second team foul. Oryx.
Oryx, sa baba po yan. Number 6 for the inbound. To Kandol. Kandol to Lopez. Number 24. Lopez to Kandol. Kandol. Pops up for 3. Tapos. Rebound by Salud. Salud. Nice one by Salud. Baseline jumper. Pasok. Pero kay Salud. 6:35 remaining. Second quarter action. Melvin. Nice play. Nandun sa loob. Binato na lang kay Kandol. 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 No, it's Smith. Wala, sayang.
Committed by number 1.
Number 1.
Pulitan, that is your third personal foul.
Number 1, Pulintan called for a foul. Smith, number 3, will shoot for 2. At 6:19 remaining. The score is 26-23. Laman pa rin po ang team AU.
First,
Second po, second jumper po para kay Smith. Smith, second jumper. Jumper's ready. Pops up.
second try.
Kapos. Okay, 34 to Melby, binababa ang bola. Nadera, Pulintan, number 1. Number 1. Number 1. To 34, thinking 3. No good. Rebound. White. Last touch, white shirts. Black ball po tayo.
14 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot. Melvin. Nako, di na kontrol ng bola. Mutik na. Pops up, 34, no good. Foul called. Okay, the big man, 34, shooting for 2. The big man, number 34, shooting for 2 tayo.
Shooting for 2.
24, first shot. Nice one. Walang tapon. Second throw, number 34. 5:47 remaining. 5:47 remaining, number 34. Pasok pareho. And Lopez. 5:43 yan. Second 5 po, handaan niyo na po. Second 5. Nandun si Melvin. Melvin. 2 points. Again, lamang na muli po ang black shirts. Nice turn around. Don. Nice pass to Smith. And service play from Don. Nice pass to Smith. Okay, the big man now. Binababa yung bola. Number 34, the big man. Number 1. Nadera. Number 1, Pulintan. Turn around, straight away, pay foul. Change 5. 4:57 remaining, first half is about to end right now. Okay, second 5 po tayo, sinusunod po sila for AU. Nandiyan si Brantes, Kalilong, Jepox, Escat, at si number 12. Kabilaan po si Gakad, Chudlax. Number 10 at si at si Marasigan. Pulintan. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the black shirts. Nandun si Marasigan. Marasigan. Number 10. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by number 12. To Scott again. Scott on the run. Scott on the run. Malakas. Walang foul. Ruiz. Nice D by Cabrantes. Pulintan, Chudilax. Wala, nakuha rin. Nakuha nga. And to Kalilong. Alis Marasigan. Kalilong. Scott. Down. Sabi po ni Taka Pintal, shoutout kay Kuya Gio. Baka naman, Gio Backman. Simon Tacobe, Oryx at score is 20-27. Laman po ng isa ang Team Oryx. Okay na po tayo. Tayo lang po tayo. Nagtamat po kasi Team Oryx. Tatay niya. Okay, back to the ball game. With 4:11 seconds remaining. Thank you po. Thank you very much po sa pag-ano po ng pag-double po ng mga viewers po right now. And please do like and subscribe po sa aking buong YouTube channel, Arvin G Vlogs. Diyan po, pina-upload po yung laro, yung isang copy po ng laro. Alam po natin, as per FB, dinidilete po ang videos in 1 month. 1 month ang videos po sa FB. Si Manson, lugi pa lang effort yun kung wala yung import na Japanese. Harigaro si Masta. Naku po, traveling ka doon, boy. Huli ka doon. 3:42 remaining. Chudilax. Nice D. And nando si Albert. Marasigan, running shot, wala. Top now to Chudilax. Driving strong. Chudilax, they shall play to Archie. Archie sa ilalim, wala. And nandun pa rin, black shoes na naman. Ruiz. Carriazo, thinking 3, pops up. Wala, kapos. It's kapos. I wonder kung si Carriazo, kalirated kay Dodjet Carriazo. Ay, butik na. Marasigan. Escat, foul. Wala. Okay, ano yun? Out of bounds. And down. Number 8 called for a foul penalty situation ang Oryx at 2:51 remaining. The score is 27-28. Scott, number 27, shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot is Scott. Basket made. 2:51 remaining. Chudilax, binababa ang bola. Carriazo, uy, muntik na. Shoutout po kay Taka Pintal, import from Japan, surplus. And shoutout naman kay Renzo Kamikasi. Jepox for 3. Wala. Rebound by Chudilax. Again, Chudilax, binababa ang bola. Chudilax. Double teamed. Chudilax, walang travel. Marasigan, nice one. Again, top to Carriazo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 12 kay Scott. 2-on-3 situation. Scott, nandun, naswipe ang bola. Nandun si Barantes, no steal completed by Ruiz.
to Korea.
Carriazo again. Carriazo. Carriazo. Lost the ball almost. Okay, Chudilac sets hip. Teka lang. Nice one. And Scott. Ilalim. Wala. Scott. Wala pa rin. Uy. Brantes. Wala pa rin.
Rebound Japan.
Good ball, good ball, good ball. Carriazo, 1:27 remaining. Pops up, Chudilac for 3, malakas. Kalilong. Kalilong. Kalilong to Scott. Scott for 3. Bang! Timeout for sure. Lumapit ng timeout. Okay, good ball. Walang timeout, walang timeout. Chudilac. Archie, driving Shong. Kay Ruiz. Ruiz, 2 points. And timeout called.
Airport United.
Timeout called by Airport United. Airport United pa tumakbo ng timeout. Ay, dumadami po ating, ating mga na-manual po dito ng live. This is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. You're watching right now the second quarter action between these two teams. Airport United and Team Orix. Pagkas po ito is Boleros versus the Projects. Pero minsan po, for the meantime, mag-Orix muna po tayo at Airport United.
Airport United basketball.
Okay, Carmona Jepox for the inbound. Number 12, 51 seconds remaining. Scott, 27. Scott, 27. Binababa ang bola. Scott. Uy! Traveling ka doon, boss. Sabi ni Babagay. First, Sir Owen Strocoman is watching. Out of bounds. Sabi ni Babagay, shoutout sa import na Airport United from Japan, Taka Pintal, a.k.a. The Mighty Mouse. Pa-shoutout na po ako kay Jao Malupiton. Balik tayo. Scott. Pops up, Jepox. Wala. Rebound! Sayang! Out of bounds. White ball. Nice stop. Di 12 sana, pero di pumasok. One more time. Scott, nope. Pops up. Wala pareho. Grubis. Carriazo. Malakas. Kinaliwa pa. Barantes for 3. Kapos. Out of bounds. Tapos na po tayo. Nagagalit tuloy si Mama Gakag.
Ano ba yan, anak? Oh my God. Ikaw din. Wait lang, I'm gonna do it. Dali. Ay, asa na dala-dala. Ay. Tada! Ba yan? Tuloy-tuloy naman. Si Jay po. 3.
Okay, next. Third quarter.
Action starts right now. Third quarter action starts right now. Teka lang, ano ba na? Bakit status natin? Okay, Barantes tumira ng 3. Okay, third quarter action. Okay, the big man, 34, number 1, Chudelax, Cariaso, and si Melvin. Sa kabila po, of course, si SG, si Lopez, si Molina, si Saj, and of course, si number 31. Okay, SG, to Lopez, 32-29, laman lang po ng 3. Saj. And of course, number 31, Lopez. Pops up, go. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound battle. Whoop. Foul called. Okay, black shirts. Offensive foul. Holding foul. Offensive foul po tayo. And si number 2, Cariaso. Binababa ang bola, Cariaso, then to Mr. Pulintan. Cariaso. Pulintan. Foul. Rinig yun. Robis down.
Number 4, SG.
SG called for a foul. Number 34, impounding. And Melvin. Uy! Mali dun, boy. Mali dun pare. Mali dun. And again, binaba tayo. Lopez, and ayaw. And of course, number 12, Sad. No good. Rebound kay Cariaso to Mr. M. O number 34. And to Pulintan. Pops up. Nako, kapos. Lopez on the run. Lopez. Foul. Long Cariaso called for a foul. Foul number 11. Cariaso. Lopez 24 shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Lopez second shot. Jumpers ready. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Lopez, muntik na. Take pass. 31. Pops up again for 3. Look in and out. Rebound by number 12. Floater shot. 2 points. Nice shot by 31. Patience is a virtue. And now Pulintan. Tinatrap na ngayon. Nagtatrap ng puti. To Mr. M. Melvin. The big man. 34. Cariaso. Driving strong. Drop pass. Stepping on the line. Yan na. Lopez. Binaba ang bola. Lopez. Oy! Traveling ka doon, boy. Kita. Mr. M, no good. Rebound battle by the black shirts. Okay, subdivision muna po tayo. Archie, Gakad. Sinasabi niya, sinapapalitan niya. Okay, labas muna si Mr. M. Si Melbs, labas muna. And of course, si Pulintan, labas muna para kay Ruiz.
Okay. 14
seconds to shoot. Albert. Pops up Chudelax. In and out. Won by the white shirts. Lopez, binababa ang bola. Lopez sinahabol. 2 points. Lopez, 2 points.
Royce Masbang.
Masbang.
Marsigan.
Barasigan, driving strong, kick pass to Carriazo, to number 34, pops up, and one play, 3-point pa, binigay.
Basket now.
Basket made para kay 34, the big man,
4.
plus 1 point, plus extra shot coming up, possible 4-point play.
SG, let me sure.
SG na naman, called for a foul. Number 34, the big man, shooting for 2. For the bonus free throw. It's out. Rebound by number 18. Molina, Nando to Ruiz. Walang tawag. White ball. The score is 36-32. Kick pass. SG. Binawi ni SG yung bola. Ayan, Carriazo. Huwag siya lang mag-isa. Ruiz. Carriazo driving strong. Nandun si Jepox. Molina, foul. And one play.
Basket now. Foul number 10.
Foul number 10.
Subdivision.
41-32. Lamang po ng siyam ang Team AU at 5:47 remaining. Pops up. No good. Lane violation. Balik sa Team ang bola.
Nowhere.
Okay, Mr. M, number 34 for the inbound. Then to Mr. Ruiz. Ang kanilang ball handler si Mr. Ruiz, the lefty. Ruiz, tumira, pops up, 2 points. The lefty. Again, si Khalil, si Molina, 18. Molina, nope, it's Eric. Eric for 3. No good. Rebound, battle 1 by the white shirts. Molina again. Molina, Nando. Oy! Traveling ka na naman. Okay, substitution po tayo. Next 5 po. Okay. Chudrax. Binabantayan. Chudrax against Scott. Albert. Stick away. Kapos. Chudrax. Ruiz. Naku. Malakas. Foul. Push. Ruiz called for the foul for the push. White ball po tayo. White ball possession. Okay, sabon na po tayo yun. Sino po itong pumasok? That's number 6. Nice pa sana. Okay, Ruiz, mag-isa. Going, and gone. Ruiz, 2 points. Easy 2. Nice interception by Gakad. Gakad driving strong. Gakad. Nope. Nilabas muna. Pops up for 3. Kapos. AU called for a timeout. Okay, balik tayo.
Okay, back in the ballgame. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Third quarter.
Okay, watching Grand Steel, Airport United and Oryx. Third quarter na po tayo, 41-36. AU,
Go.
binababa ang bola. AU, Kandol, Escat. Escat, driving. Mali, pinasan ni Scott. Nice hustle play by number 6. Ayun! Nako, muntik pa. 2 points. Sabi ni Gabi, go, Lodi Scott. And, oy! Pushing foul. Kandol. Nice, kay Gakad. Naitawid na. Out of bounds. 3:30 remaining, third quarter action. Kandol. Kay Smith, kay Scott. Scott, driving strong. Kay Smith. Dilabas mo na raw. Smith, driving strong, bumangga. Number 89 called for the foul. Pader ang ginawa niya. Warning for penalty po ang Team Oryx. Behind the sky play and one play. Basket made. Gakad called for the foul. And substitution made now. Gakad, pangulo pa lang ni Gakad yan. And Smith for the bonus free throw. Smith, number 3, pops up. No good. Rebound by the black shirts. Again, Gakad. Oop. Traveling code on Gakad. Gakad called for the travel. Kandol, binababa ang bola. Kandol to Scott. Not iyo mag-isa. Scott, malakas. Gakad, binababa ang bola. Gakad. Walang foul. Wala pa rin foul. And white shirts, last touch, white shirts. Black ball pa rin po tayo. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Gakad for the inbound. Fade away shot. 2 points. Nice shot by number 17. Escat. Naiwang bola. Escat. Nice one by Don. 6. Kick pass kay Gakad. 2 points. Gakad 2 points. Escat, nakawala. Escat. Offensive foul. Shot up from import from Germany. This is Smith. German holding. Escat called for an offensive foul. A minute and 40 remain. Laman lang po ng 7. Ang Airport United. Kick pass. Pops up. Long 2. 3 points. Sorry. 3 points. Saan ang galing yung number 17 na yun? Number 17. 3 points. This is your aviation friend, Dabas of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Thread and Needles and Team LBC Haring Padala, and of course SPB Doha, and of course PSB Gabas League. First game for tonight is being played now between Airport United and Team Oryx. Back to the ball game. Candol. 17, si Jepox. Don, number 6. Naipit. Nandun si Marasigan. Okay, pinasok kumuli ka ng big man. Ruiz. Ruiz, number 10. Ruiz. Pops up. Nope. Walong Candol.
Number 8, penalty. Penalty.
Penalty situation.
Subdivision.
Chance to trim down the lead down to 3 points. Down to 2 points rather. Pulintan first shot.
Pulintan.
Pasok. Pulintan second throw, jumpers ready tayo. Pulintan second free throw, jumpers ready. Okay, basket fade. Laman ng dalawa. Laman ng dalawa. 1 win 10 remaining. Smith. Traveling violation of Smith again. Ouch. That hurts. Okay, again. Marasigan. Para kay Ruiz. Ruiz, binababa ang bola. Ruiz. Uy! Foul!
Number 17, holding foul.
Holding foul called on Kalilong. Number 34, shooting for 2.
First personal foul.
First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Sharp and deadly shot by number 34 sa free throw line. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Smith. Lamang ng dalawa is Smith. Smith. Hop. Good ball. Chudelax. 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 Nawala ang bola. Kalilong. Kalilong. Smith. 2 points. 34. 34. 34. Bang! 2 points. Good ball. Scott. And 1 point pa. Basket made para kay Scott. Scott shooting for the bonus free throw.
Third personal foul.
It's in. Marasigan. Chudelax. Marasigan for 3. Tapos! Foul! The score is 53-48. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Pulintan shooting for 2.
Pulintan, number 1, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Pulintan, second throw, jumpers ready tayo. Pulintan, second free throw, jumpers ready tayo. No good. On the run out, Smith. Okay, that's it. The third quarter action is finished already. Okay. You're watching right now Oryx versus Airport Tinasati. First game after this po is Boleros versus the Projects. This is your aviation friendly Davos of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: LBC Team, LBC Handling Padala and Thread Needles, and of course SPB Do and PSBQ Basketball League. First game po tayo, on the way po tayo between Airport United and Oryx. Afterwards po tayo is Boleros versus the Projects.
Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Orex Basketball.
Orex Basketball po tayo ngayon at 53-48. Black shirts for the inbound final 10 minutes sa ating larong ito. Okay, that's Pulintan, number 1. Inbounding. Pulintan, Ruiz. Marasigan, number 34 at Chudlax. Uy! Foul! Foul si Lopez.
24, Lopez. Lopez, that is your second personal foul.
Lopez called for a foul.
Fourth United.
Okay, Pulintan. Pulintan to Chudlax. Ruiz.
14 shot clock. Masbang, base.
34, pops up, malakas. Chudlax, no, it's Pulintan. Palpal, may foul. There's foul, take 2. Pulintan shooting for 2.
24, Lopez.
Lopez called for a foul.
Second team
Number
foul.
1, Pulintan shooting for
On
2.
Fourth United.
53-48 chance to clinch the ball game down to 3 points. Alex Soton is watching. Shout out. First shot good. Second throw. Second throw by Pulintan. Pulintan, second throw. Pops up. Wala. Up. One more time. Early entry. $9:39 remaining. Pops up. Good. Okay, lamang muli ng tatlo ang the white shirts. White shirts, lamang po ng tatlo. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Rebound by 34. Kick pass. Nope. It's driving. It's Albert. It's Ruiz. Ruiz. Albert. Albert driving show. Nope. It's Pulintan. 2 points. Laman na isa. Black shirts. Black shirts again. Striking distance. 1 point na lang kalamangan ng AU. AU. Lopez against Ruiz. Nakalusot. Swipe away. Nakakuha muli ni Barantes. 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 Nope. It's number 34. Pulintan again. Pulintan against Kalilong. Pulintan. Kalilong. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Number 12. Barantes. Palpal. Nice block. Sabi ni Marasigan, akin ka. 8:29 remaining. Nice D by Marasigan. Carriazo pinasok muna para kay Marasigan at 8:29 remaining. The score is 53-52.
14 shot clock. Only substitution.
Lopez, Nopit Salud, Salud, against Chudlax, against Ruiz. Sweep away, Pulintan, ako yung bola. Pulintan to Chudlax, Chudlax. To Carriazo, Carriazo, hoop shot, wala. Rebound by number 12, binababa ang bola, number 12, Sad. Barantes, Barantes. Nope, it's Sad, 2 points. I'm sad, but I'm happy. I'm happy, I'm sad. Okay. And of course, now to Chudlax again. 53-52, laban ng tatlo. Chudlax. 77, Nobis Carriazo. Carriazo driving strong. Nope. Rebound number 18 again. Molina. Molina. 2 points, Molina. 24. Whoop. Nagdadabog ang aking alas. Timeout called by Orex. Orex sensing blood already. 7:32 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. After this game po is Team Project versus Boleros basketball team.
Hello! Hingin mo yung ball, hingin mo yung ball. Ano hingin yung ball?
Second, okay, that's good.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Black shirt, it's inbounding. Inbound po, black shirts to Ruiz. Ruiz. Cariaso. Cariaso driving strong. Cariaso and one play binigay. Cariaso 2 points. Chance to trim the lead down to 2 points para sa Oryx. Shoutout para kay Asian Import Taka Pintal from Tokyo. Pops up, Kapos, rebound, won by the white shirts. Escat. Naipit. Nandun si Cariaso. Cariaso, binababa ang bola. Cariaso, no good. Against Lopez. Lopez, binababa ang bola, Lopez. Escat for 3. No. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. 2 points. Smith, 2 points. Ruiz. Pulintan. 59-54. Cariaso. 34 for 3. No good. Rebound. Chudelax. 2 points. 59-56 naman tatlo. 6:20 na remaining. Marami liliw pa yan. Lopez. 2 points. 2 points Lopez. Lamaw nila 5. Mali. And Scott. And one play. Foul on number 34. Substitution made now.
Okay, substitution.
Okay, Smith, number 3. Smith, number 3.
Okay, substitution.
3-point play completed. Okay, Archie Gakad. Papasok mo na para kay Ruiz. Again, lamang muli po ng 7 ang AU. Gakad goes the ball. Gakad, held ball. White shirts. Ulina. Scott signaling the play. Scott eyeing the sky play, no good. 5:20 na remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng 7 ang AU. Pulintan. Cariaso for 3. No good. Rebound by Gakad. 2 points Gakad. 2 points. Laban na 5. Scott. Palpal. Nice block by number 34. Nice block by the black shirts. Scott. Eye in the sky play. No good. Rebound, 2 points. Marasigan. Labang muli po ng 7 ang white shirts. Airport United, lamang pubuli. Fires away. No good. Rebound, battle, one by the white shirts again. Sad. No good. Foul called.
Number 9, pushing foul.
Foul called. Sad. 12. Shooting for 2. It's out. Isa pa. One shot. No good. Kapos. Time out. Oh, sorry, sub. Substitution muna po tayo. Who's sub? Okay. Sino?
Oh, sino?
Okay, Pulintan. Number 1, Pulintan. Shoot the last for 3. Nope, in and out. Nope, it's in. Shoot the last 3 points. Scott. Scott, rebound battle won by the white shirts. Nope, it's black. Karyaso pinatbuna para kay Chudilax. Pulintan. Driving strong. Pulintan. Play. Nice one by Pulintan. Umupo sa ere. Pulintan, 2 points. Walang foul. Naipit. Gakad. 2 points. Tabla. And timeout called. Sabi ni number 30 po, not in my house. Nice block by number 34. Parang pader, bumangga. Parang kotse. Bang! Bang! Shoutout po kay Julius Akagi. Sabi ni Taka Pintal, nagpapatay ka dito, wala naman kayo dito. Okay, 3:33 remaining. Tablados po tayo sa 265 all from the basket of Pulintan. And of course, from the 3 points po ni Chudilax. Okay, white shirts again on the attack. 3:23 remaining. This will be a photo finish, everyone. We have a ball game right now in the midst. Ito po tayo, Lopez. Binababa ang bola. Lopez. Smith. Nope. It's 12. Foul. Foul on Albert. Albert called for a foul. Sad. Shooting for 2. 3:11 remaining. This will be a photo finish, everyone. First shot, Kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 3:11 remaining, fourth quarter action. Pops up, it's out. Rebound by 34. To Manasigan. To Pulintan against Lopez. To Manasigan again. Gakad, set muna daw tayo, sabi. Set lang daw tayo. Set play. Gakad. Manasigan. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Lamang na naman ang itim. Nakuha ni Gakad ang bola. Gakad. No good. That could bring the house down. Scott naman. Scott. 2 points to Scott. Chudilax. Tablado tayo. Chudilax. Pulintan, number 1. Gakad. 2:20 remaining. Gakad. No, ayaw. Kick pass. Kick 34. Malakas. Again, Lopez. Kick pass now. Nando si Marasigan. Nando si Chudilax. Chudilax driving strong. Chudilax. Chudilax. Up. Down daw, sabi. Down.
Foul number 2.
Foul number 2. Warning for penalty ang Team Airport United. Chance again to get back the lead para sa Oryx. 34. Gakad. Pulintan for 3. No. Out of bounds. Go, boss ng mark ng heartthrob ng AU. Escat naman. Escat. Kick pass. Malakas. Sad for 2. Nope. Rebound by Sad. Offline. Again, Goop Lopez. Lopez. Ano muna daw tayo? Lopez. Pinilit. Rebound again by Jepox. Bang! 3 points Jepox. Yun ang nagbigay ng puntos. 1:24 remaining. Marami pa pang oras yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Marami pang oras yan. At 1 minute 24 yan. Sabi sa Oryx. The score is 70-67.
Both teams shall remain at 1 minutes.
Yan na matapos.
70-67. 1:24 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Bago pa yan. Malayo pa yan. Sige.
14 seconds set clock.
Okay. Ito na pinakamalakas na lineup ng Oryx against Airport United. Gakad. Pulintan again. Pulintan. Pupuso si number 34. Chudilax. Gakad. 2 points. Okay, isa. Kami 10 remaining. Smith, make or break situation for both teams. Smith, number 3. 1 minute remaining. Escat. Lopez. Wala! Same ball.
Okay. Yang na 10 seconds.
Wala pa.
10 seconds shot now. 10 seconds to shoot.
Lopez.
5 seconds.
Malakas. Rebound by Chudilax. Pulintan. Muntik na.
Committed by number 12.
Jepox scored for a foul. Pulintan number 1. Shooting for 2. 41 seconds remaining. Okay, nagpasok muna na talaga mga mga fresh legs. Ang Airport United. Pulintan shooting for 2. Number 1, first shot. 41 seconds remaining. It's in! Tabla! Pulintan, second throw. 70 all. Chance to take the lead. Number 1, Pulintan. Pasok pareho. Laman ng isa, AU. AU na naman, Escat. Wala! Escat, labas muna. For 3 sa Escat. Bang! 3 points, Escat. Timeout! Oryx! Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game in our midst.
Okay, last time out.
Okay, the score is 73-71. Salamat sa 3-point Scott. Balik muli po sa kalamangan ang Airport United. Airport United also looking for win number 4. While Oryx looking for win number 3.
Okay, back to the ball game. Wala na pong timeout, Oryx.
Oryx, wala na pong timeout. Make or break situation now for Team Oryx at 28 seconds remaining. Okay, magtatao-tao na sila. Tao. Pulintan against Tandol against Chudrax. 25 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
Chudrax. Pulintan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Foul. Warning for penalty Team Oryx.
77 for the Ducks. Penalty na, warning for penalty na. Reserve na. Timeout sila.
Nag-time up po ang Team Oryx.
Wala na pong timeout, both teams.
Both teams, wala na pong timeout. 17-71, 9 seconds remaining.
Wala na. Okay, both teams. It's a penalty. There's no more timeout, both teams.
Okay.
Both teams, penalty.
Okay. Final 9 seconds of the ball game.
Both teams, penalty.
Okay, both teams are in penalty.
Both teams in penalty.
14 seconds remaining. 14 seconds.
Okay, 9 seconds.
9 seconds remaining sa game clock. Wala na po shot clock. Nawala ang bola. Basbang foul. What a twist. What a turn of events. Number 34 shooting for 2. Chance to put this game into overtime. Or first shot, number 34. 2 shots given. It's in. Second throw, jumper's ready. Chance to tie the ball game. Impossible overtime. Basket made. Tabla. Scott. Scott. Binat ng bola. Kantol. Nawala ang bola. And overtime tayo. Chudrax. Butik na. Ayan. Maraming nanonood dito ha. Ayan ha. Oh. Maraming live po tayo dito. Live na nanonood. Oh. Lahat po yan. Lahat po eh. May mga pakpak. Walang pakpak. Meron dito. Okay, we need to get to settle this game 5 minutes more. 73 all. We're now in overtime. This game is brought by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And of course, Fred the Needles, of course. This is brought by Team DSBQ and SPB Doha. And of course, AK. Ako, ARA o ako, Referee Association ng SPB Pilipinas. Sabi ni Mike Marasigan, go Oryx overtime. Si Casas, pahay naman po kay Mr. Albert Dino Marasigan. Ayan. Okay, overtime po tayo. First overtime of the ball game. Again, to number 34, pops up. Escat, mamadali. Escat, 6 seconds away. Nawala ang bola. Again, nawala. Hop! Good ball! Shoot relax. Pulintan. Malakas. Saan ang galing yun? Grabe, yung Oryx. Saan ang galing yung palibagong lakas ng Oryx? Sa overtime. Pulintan, shooting for 2. Please take the penalty situation po tayo. Pulintan, number 1, shooting for 2. Pasok! Laman ng 4. Pulintan, number 1. AU looking for win number 4. Oryx looking for win number 3. Diba? Tama. Hindi. Ang tama. No good! Rebound by Helbol. White ball again. Laman ng 4. 17-77. Kalilong. For 3. No good. Brantes. It's Albert. It's Shudelax. It's Gagad. Shoutout kay CJ Casas. Sabi ni Babagay. Gagad. Again to 34. Kapos. Shudelax go for a foul. Foul called on the white shirt. Kalilong called for a foul. Shudelax shooting for 2. First shot good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Lamang 5 ang Oryx. Pops up. Both basket made. 3 point yan. Kalilong. Barantes. Naipit. Foul. No, bis travel. Ouch. Okay, sambu na po tayo. Sabi ni Gideon Duma, grabe ang lakas. Sabi ni Gideon, lakas ng Oryx. The black shirts are in. Overtime pa tayo, overtime pa. Nakuha, 34. Double team. Albert. And pops up. Bang! Saan ang galing yun? Pulintan 3 points. Jam. Escat. No good. Escat mali. Palpal. Malayo. Marasigan call for the warning. 10 seconds remaining, 10 seconds to shoot. They need a stop. Lopez. For 3. No good. Chudelax again. On the attack. Chudelax. 2-point Chudelax. Nag-collapse. Out of bounds. Black shirts. And timeout go by AU.
Ano bang sago?
Okay, AU looking for win number 4. Samantala ang Oryx po looking for win number 3. The score right now 73-84. An 11-point lead advantage now been posted by Team Oryx over Airport United. At 2:45 remaining sa ating overtime. First game po tayo ng Aviation Friendly. Dito, kompletong nanonood dito. Pakpak man, walang pakpak. Meron nanonood po dito. Okay, balik tayo. Number 34, pinapasok ang bola. Number 34. Gakad against Lopez. Number 34. Kick pass kay Albert. Albert Panasigan. Gakad. Malakas. Rebound by the number 12. Nawala ang bola. Chudelax. Gakad. Sabi ni Brian Dwight, go Team Oryx. Nandun. Kunintan. Manasigan. It's Manasigan for 3. Chudelax. Nakasipa. Gakad. Against Kalilong. Number 34. Kay Sil Natur. Shoutout kay Mr. M. 34. Gakad cutting. Kulintan. Pops up with 3 again. Yes! Nag-collapse. Scott. A minute and 28 remaining. Smith 2 points. CJ Casas, game changer talaga si Albert Dino Marasigan. Best player talaga of the game. Best D. Best defensive player po. Kulintan. Labang ng 14. Gakad. Out of bounds. Sobrang pag pumasok mo. Jebs Arnandez watching. Sabi ni Canton, grabe talaga yung Marasigan. Parang rated player do kung maglaro. Nag-collapse yung nung Oryx, nag-collapse.
Nabuhayan sila sa...
Oo, nag-collapse sila. Melvin, tuwan-tuwa eh. Magpapakot.
49 seconds.
Ayun lang.
Lutong bahay versus roaster. Lutong bahay!
Okay, back to the ball game. Final 49 seconds of the remaining first game action po tayo ngayon. Binato. Nando si Chudelax na naman. Chudelax. Okay, I think that's it. Pops up for 3. No good. Kalilong. Wala na. Okay, safety basket tayo. Sabi ni Isa. Okay, good din po siya, sir. Good din po siya, Sir Isa. Good din po siya. And of course, consider po, Team Oryx winner by 14 points. Final score, 79-84. 89. Panalo po ang Team Oryx. With it. Okay, napanood nyo na po ang first game po natin po. Team Oryx ang prevailing over Airport United. Maraming salamat po and stand by po tayo sa second game po natin between Boleros and The Project.